It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
This may be noise out there a little bit, but I have been seeing a number of just questions, commentary on both Twitter, as well as there's one in the queue here on AT&T's dividend.
Yeah.
And whether or not the cash flow is there. What are your thoughts?
I mean, telco is just...
Is it noise or is it
telco is just a buzzsaw, man. I mean, thank God we were short Verizon too, but that was not good. Look, it's, first of all, like from a sentiment perspective, it's just become uninvestable from a lot of people. It's just, I think someone said like 20 or 30% of all like telco, like, cable telcos like in distress territory from a credit perspective. So, look, I think as is, based on the model that, the dividend's safe, that the free cash flow is going to show up. What will change that dynamic is if the competitive landscape changes, right? Which is why everyone's freaking out when the rumors were that Amazon was going to come into the market, because if all of a sudden you introduce a fourth player into the marketplace where growth is already slowing and it's already very competitive, and you have a very strong consumer brand, right, that can just bundle it in with an existing service, like that is a really big problem, right? So, nothing is static. If that were to happen, which doesn't seem like it's happening, but if that were to happen in a big way, that would result in share loss, more competition, which could potentially, in theory, mean that, which would probably mean that AT&T would have to invest more, right, to just maintain and grow the business above and beyond what they thought they would, which could potentially mean that they have to, reduce the dividend. At the same time, you do have to like balance that with valuation and that type of a setup. So awesome. I don't think we're going to be sitting here like the next quarter and they're going to be axing the dividend at all. Like I don't think. Yeah, I mean, feel free to berate me and drag me over the coals if that happens. But I don't think that's the setup going into this earnings print.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.